Behold, a wondrous website created by Zipflight Studio for Proud Juice, a purveyor of organic family fruit juices. This awe-inspiring product website is both visually stunning and user-friendly, captivating visitors with its vibrant display of Proud Juice's delicious offerings. Zipflight Studio has crafted a website that truly stands out, giving Proud Juice a powerful platform to showcase their products and make it easy for customers to purchase them. The website is also a delight to navigate, with a seamless design that makes it easy for visitors to find the information they need and make purchases with ease. Proud Juice can now proudly boast a website that is as impressive as their products, and their customers can now enjoy a convenient and enjoyable shopping experience. Contact us today to build your dream website. Your website is your digital storefront, your online presence, and your chance to make a great first impression on potential customers. That's why it's so important to have a website that is both visually appealing and user-friendly. At Zipflight Studio, we specialize in creating custom websites that are tailored to your specific needs and goals. We work with you every step of the way.